Hi, I'm Jeffrey Murl, Site Manager with the U.S. Department of Energy, Office of Legacy Management. The former Laboratory for Energy-Related Health Research, or LEHR, is located about 1.5 miles south of the University of California, Davis campus. UC Davis owns the 15-acre property. DOE sponsored research at LEHR from the early 1950s until 1988 focused on the health effects of chronic exposure to radioactive materials. The work generated a variety of radiological and hazardous wastes that were disposed of on-site. As a result, the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency listed the facility on the National Priorities List, or NPL, in 1994 under the Comprehensive Environmental Response, Compensation, and Liability Act, or CERCLA. Cleanup at the LEHR federal facility is complete. All buildings have been decontaminated and decommissioned, and ownership has been transferred to UC Davis for continued use. It has been determined that residual contaminants in the soil do not pose a threat to human health and the environment unless disturbed. The final remedy serves to maintain the protective conditions at the DOE areas through the implementation of land use controls, a soil management plan, groundwater monitoring, site inspections, and reporting. LM completed the first CERCLA 5-year review and a vapor intrusion evaluation in 2018, which demonstrates that the remedy is protective of human health and the environment. The process for the partial deletion of the site from the NPL begins once it is determined that the residual contaminants in the soil are no longer a potential threat to groundwater. LM's on-site responsibilities would then be completed, and the long-term responsibilities would be managing site records and responding to stakeholder inquiries.